Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, let's teach you what is Rednote and how it works. So basically, Rednote is a Chinese version of Instagram which people are using nowadays because of the TikTok ban in the United States. And to be able to use it is actually very simple. It's very similar to how TikTok works. You can check out here in our Explore section, you have all kinds of videos that you are able to watch as long as you click just like this, and then you can simply scroll down as well to watch random videos. You could also click over here on the top. You have different categories if you want to check out. For example, you have cartoons over here, cars, and so on and so forth. You will be able to find that in the Explore area. For the nearby, this is where you will be able to check out different videos that are nearby your area. Of course, you're going to have to enable your location permission. And over here for the follows, this is where you will be able to see the videos of different people you have been following. Rednote also has a shop over here which you could check out their different products that you could purchase items from. So for example, you have this one over here. We could open this one. Although it's all in Chinese, you're going to have to be able to identify or figure out what these buttons mean. To the logos or through the logos, you might be able to understand, like this one, this might be chat, and this one is our sell or purchase or add to cart option over here. Aside from that, we have your different messaging options over here. You have the plus over here, which will allow you to record or have some videos be uploaded and so on and so forth. And aside from that, you could also check out some different sections over here on the left side, such as your drafts. You could also add some friends. And if you want to be a creator, you could click on Creator Center over here and apply to be a content creator in Rednote. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.